Okay, anyways, we are currently at the airport. Dara is here. Say hello. Hi. Obviously, Yuka is here. Say hello. Hello. I see my story. Hello. And finally, the golf trip has made it out of the group chat. So yeah, we are going to Turkey, Alanya. I didn't start this vlog when I was meant to start it because yeah, we just had a really stressful morning. We had to pay triple at I calculated it. Triple the amount at the train station. So we had a very quiet train ride here because we literally didn't want to talk. Like it was so depressing. But anyways, yeah, the vibes are up now. So we're really excited. We're gonna stay there. We're gonna land in Antalya tonight at 9, around 9 o'clock, like 9 p.m. And then from tomorrow we're gonna start activities. We're gonna do activities on the Friday, Saturday, and the Sunday. So a 3 days of activity, and then maybe we'll do one on the last day because we're coming back so late. Our flight is at 10 at night. 10? Yeah. Is it?
Yeah. 10.
Oh.
We get there at 1 a.m.
You say 10 and you're confused like it's 10. 10 something. What do you think we're landing at 10? Okay, yeah, we get here at 10. So we take off at 10, yeah. So yeah, we have basically, I think we have 4 days.
How are you guys getting back to Kent?
That's a very good question. We haven't booked the...
I booked the train like yesterday.
For the train back.
Yeah. So what I'm going to do is, because we're getting to the airport at such a crazy time, I'm going to wait in the airport for a bit. I'm going to wait at the airport for a bit and then there's a train, it's the tube that goes to St. Pancras. St. Pancras. Yeah. And then from St. Pancras I go.
Yeah. So how long will it be?
Do you mean the tube to get to St. Pancras? Or like the wait?
Just the whole way.
The wait will probably be around 3 hours or 4. My train is like 7 a.m. Actually, that'll be more.
What did you just 7 a.m.?
I think so. I need to double check.
Well, you're gonna stay at the airport for 7 hours?
Yeah.
No, but she's right because the train stopped running at a point, didn't they?
Yeah.
So that's what we're gonna do as well.
But the thing is, the tubes to St. Pancras are regular.
Yeah.
And it takes around an hour to get there.
Okay. And
so if my train is at 7, I'll leave around like an hour and a half before.
Yeah.
Like
And we can't book a ticket now even if we wanted to because the same thing is gonna happen in the advanced single and we're not gonna make it in time. And here they will involve me, guys. But yeah, finally I've done the introduction. If you guys notice that the camera quality is not that good, you are right. We're not filming on our parents' phone, I'm filming on my phone. So apologies for that, but I'll increase the saturation and sharpen it and all of that to make it look a bit better. But yeah, when I have money I'll buy a camera. So yeah, make sure you guys actually subscribe so I can buy a camera. Period. I don't make the rules. Thank you. Well yeah, I'm always going to be very disappointed in us while she watches this video because we never buy food at the airport. We were really hungry and we didn't bring anything and we went through security really early, so yeah, and everything at the airport is just expensive. The whole day has just been a bit crazy, but it's fine. She forgive us eventually. But yeah, when we're about to board, then I'll speak to you guys again. Or when we land, I don't know. Just enjoy the vlog. When we land.
Have you guys ever flown with Wizz?
Yeah, that's what we went. We used it for meeting. And wait, did we use them? We went to Ireland.
Say that again? Yeah, if you give me like turn it up.
Is it filming?
Yeah, yeah.
Really happy. How do you feel in here? Do you come in? I don't know why is that your because this is tiny.
You're
like,
gonna suffocate.
Imagine if you had suitcases.
Yeah, you have to send the suitcases up first. And then take the stairs or something.
You look how you're shaking. Like three flat people cannot fit in here. I'm so sorry. It's not possible.
Why is that your first?
Because how are they gonna make their way to their rooms? Like I'm being very dead serious. Like they can't fit in
Okay guys, hi. I haven't checked in with you guys in a while, but we made it. We're all in our PJs now, and it is currently 2 a.m. in the morning, and we're trying to go find food. Nearly bonnet selfie. It is.
It's nice.
This is
One of
my
these days
type
we
of
should, like,
holiday.
Just go around.
Yeah, because I can hear music. So. Wait, be serious. Where?
Well, I think open. I don't know if I'll have time. But it's not open, but like tomorrow.
Yeah. Wait, are they gonna allow Crocs?
Huh?
Do they allow Crocs?
Maybe. You allow Crocs.
I mean, they're close to. I wasn't expecting anyone to be open. Okay, you go in first. You wanted to come. What did I want to buy you? You're not sick.
I'm taking a picture of the hotel. Are we going in?
Yeah.
Do you guys want to leave?
No, we can.
Oh yeah, food, yeah. I don't even have my money. What do you do? I'm probably not going to buy anything.
Yeah, I have a card.
Is he talking to her? I think he's talking to her. He's talking to her.
Welcome to Turkey, Habibi. That makes no sense.
Why does this thing turn on the flash when you don't have it?
I think it's this is dark. Mine does the same way.
Okay, period.
No bars.
I'm actually not like tired. I don't know why.
It's so like
Yeah, what if we can't wake up in the morning?
in the morning.
Breakfast?
We
Okay,
have
look,
to.
at least we know now. We don't have to wake up crazy early because we're gonna go to town.
That just makes you feel so much better.
Yeah. But we do have to get there before 10.
Yeah. As long as we get, even if we get there like 9:55, it's fine. As long as we're there. It was the same in Spain. I mean, we literally get there at 9:58. And then when you're in there, they can't kick you out. As long as you're in there, it's fine. Well, let's not do that. Yeah.
Guys, I think
Oh,
in
there's
the
a-
morning
Yeah.
when we wake up, do you see how there's like hills?
Oh yeah.
Stacked on top of it.
Yeah.
It's like a hill, like a mountain or something.
Should we go there? Now? No.
I don't think we'll be able to go there, but I think we'll see it in the morning. It looks really nice.
It will look. Yeah. Everything is dark now, so I can't see anything.
I'm gonna take a video of how it looks now, and then
Versus. The cutesy, very demure.
the hotel is kind of placed in an area where there's kind of other hotels around, but also there's real stuff.
Exactly. Yeah.
So it's